What's the best thermostat setting for summer? Trying to stay cool without running up your energy bill? Let's talk about thermostat settings. Hi, I'm Dustin Hupsey with 1 Hour Air Prescott. For the best balance of comfort and efficiency, set your thermostat between 76 and 78 degrees in the summer. Lower settings won't cool your home faster, but will increase energy costs. A smart thermostat can help you program temperature changes throughout the day, saving you money while keeping your home comfortable. Want to upgrade your thermostat? Call 928-395-7202 or visit onehourairprescott.com today.